First Jabalpur, then Delhi, and now Rajkot. In the recent spate of canopy collapses at airports, has raised concerns over the structural integrity and maintenance of airports facilities, particularly during adverse weather conditions.
There was water accumulation due heavy rain, and one part of the canopy that collapsed, but no injury to any person, anybody.
Meanwhile, due to lack of information, passengers were still seen reaching Terminal 1 in Delhi and then having to go to one of the other's two terminals which are operational.
सर की गाड़ियों का काम इससे ही चलता था हमारा। मेट्रो से इधर से सवारी होते थे। अब वो काम भी हमारा खराब ही हो गया एयरपोर्ट बंद होने के कारण।
बहुत लॉस है सर जी, वैसे तो इतना लॉस है क्या बताऊं सर। काम धंधा यहीं से, हाँ टैक्सियों का काम धंधा यहीं से चलता है।
हमको कुछ व्हाट्सएप में कुछ ऐसा इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं आया।
अच्छा।
और हम कल ट्रैवल कर रहे थे, कल रात से हम ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं।
हाँ।
तो मेल वेल चेक करने का टाइम नहीं मिला हमको।
तो कोई फोन वोन नहीं आया?
कुछ नहीं आया।
ओके।
हमको जहाँ से हमने बोर्डिंग पास लिया वहाँ हमको T1 बताया गया। इधर आने के बाद अभी कहानी दूसरा है।
The government has now swung into action and has brought in a special team from IIT Delhi.
We don't want this incident to happen again. So we have brought in a special team from IIT Delhi, from the structural engineering department. They are going through the inspection and they will provide the ministry with an initial inspection report. Based on that report, we are going to take necessary measures or necessary actions will be taken. We are getting a structural inspection done, preliminary inspection done at all the airports. And I have been very clear to my ministry that this report has to come from each and every airport in the country and it has to be on my table within 2 to 5 days.
These incidents have exposed the quality of public infrastructure in the major cities and call for accountability of those responsible for the criminal negligence which ended an innocent life in Delhi. Experts also ask if our infrastructure is resilient enough to withstand the increasing number of extreme weather events in the face of climate change. With Mohammad Ghazali, Bureau Report, NDTV.